Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to open Task Manager on Windows 11 PC. For this, I will use total 8 methods and you can use either according to your convenience. So let me start without any delay. First one method is through keyboard shortcut, that is Control Shift plus Escape. Control Shift plus Escape, just press Control Shift plus Escape on your keyboard. This will open Task Manager on your Windows 10 PC, 11 PC. Next one method is through taskbar menu. For that, right click on the free space on the taskbar and select here Task Manager option. This will open Task Manager. Next one method is through command prompt. For that, click on the start button or click on this one search box and here type CMD. In the search results, right click on the command prompt entry and select here run as administrator. In case Windows prompts, click yes. In the command prompt window, you need to type task mgr and then press enter on the keyboard. This will open Task Manager. Next one method is through Windows Terminal. For that, right click on the start button. Select here terminal or terminal admin and use the same command task mgr. I will put this one command in the video description also. In case you need it, you can copy it from there. After typing this one command, press enter on the keyboard to open the task manager. Next one method is through control plus alt plus delete keyboard shortcut. This one keyboard shortcut. You can use control alt plus delete keyboard shortcut to open this one menu and here select task manager option to open task manager. Next one method is through power user menu. For that, right click on the start button and here select task manager option. Next one method is through Windows search. For that, click on this one start button or click on this one search box and here type task manager. In the search results, click on this one task manager entry to open it on your Windows 11 PC. And last one method is through run dialog box. For that, press Windows plus R key on the keyboard. This will open run dialog box. Here type task mgr and then click on this one OK button to open Task Manager on your Windows 11 PC.